Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the year again. We are going back to Disney World and I'm so excited to be finally packing for the family. We're actually running a little bit behind. We had a little curveball thrown at us. I've never been in Florida during the winter and this time around it's gonna be in the low 60s. So for sure we're gonna need to put some sweaters on. So because the weather is a lot different from last time we went out there, I figured why not record a video and show you guys what I'm actually packing for my entire family during the time that we go. Another curveball that we have on this one is that we're gonna be doing a Disney cruise in between our stay in Orlando. So I'm also packing for that. I'll have that in a different video for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I am going to get started with the toughest person that I have to pack for. He's the most challenging for me because he doesn't like to overpack. He's like an underpacker and I'm an overpacker. So that's why it's a little bit challenging for me when it comes to packing for Fernando, my fiance now. So I am going to be showing you what I'm packing for him and how I'm layering him because I'm only allowed to take 2 jackets and 2 pairs of shoes. Who does that? I'm taking like 7 pairs of shoes for myself, but that's besides the point. Let's go ahead and show you what he is going to be wearing to his Epcot day. So these pants, I'm not 100% sure he's gonna like them. He hasn't even tried them on. He's actually right here and he's like giving me a stench face. But this is a top that he's gonna be wearing. I thought it was so cute. And most of the stuff that I got for this trip, I got it either from Amazon or Etsy, especially the t-shirts. Fernando's a super simple guy. If you just get him a t-shirt and some pants, he'll be more than happy to just wear that. And since I'm only allowed to take 2 sweaters, he's taking one of his bomber jackets, which is a black one, which goes with the majority of his outfits. And then we're also taking this sweatshirt, which it says Disneyland on it. He's a big Disneyland person. He believes Disneyland is better. If you haven't heard that whole shenanigan, go ahead and watch my first packing video. He has a whole story behind that. But anyways, this is his Epcot outfit. Next, I packed this one for Hollywood Studios. And it's super simple. Shirt again, it's from Etsy. Oh, next I have his Animal Kingdom outfit, which is gonna go with this shirt, of course. Isn't this adorable? I feel like this is in reference to Loki also because it's like the tree of life and I'm obsessed with Loki right now, so. But anyways, it's Animal Kingdom. These are other cargo pants and then this would be Magic Kingdom outfit. So that's pretty much it. Fernando is just gonna grab some socks, some underwear, and like I said, the other jacket, and he's pretty much good to go. I just need to put it in a packing cube and get him ready to go. Fernando. Okay, so for my son, he is the birthday boy. He is the reason why we're going to Disney World and why we're going on a Disney cruise. We wanted to make it extra special for him. So these are his outfits. So this is Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, and Epcot. And he's actually only taking 1 sweater, which is 2 sweaters. He's super into stitch right now. So this is a 2-way sweater, they call it. You can wear like this, or you can wear it like this, which is super cool because it matches all his outfits pretty much. And since he is older, I am taking him only 2 pairs of PJs, which are these right here. And then this is his, we always like to pack a coming back outfit. So we also keep it, this is a shirt he loves. He got this one in Aulani this last trip we took. And he's just gonna, he likes to keep it simple in some sweatpants. It's super easy to pack for boys. You'll see how much more complicated it is to pack for a little girl. Disney World packing cube done. So these are the outfits for Santiago for Disney World. This is his coming back outfit. This is a long sleeve shirt, and it's super cool because it's Star Wars. And again, everything is with sweatpants. So this is one of the sweaters that he is going to be wearing. I thought it's super cool. It even has Mickey ears. And we have this outfit right here. It's Pluto. We're gonna be taking his Pluto hat. This is the sweatshirt that he can wear with these two. And Santi is one of my colder boys, so I always like to add an extra layer for him. So I'm also gonna be taking him this one. This one is on the thinner side, but once you layer everything together, it should be warm enough. So, so he'll be wearing that, and that one goes with everything. Thank you. That's his Pluto hat right there. Are you gonna be wearing Mickey ears too? Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll also wear Mickey ears. And then this is his Animal Kingdom outfit. Also wearing some super cool distressed cargo pants with it and the super cool shirt. But this is pretty much what Santi's gonna be wearing. So let's go ahead and get it packed. For Santi, I'm actually taking 4 pairs of PJs. Santi is done. Okay, so I don't know why, but I always get so excited packing for Sissy or Emma Luna. This is her outfits. So of course, we're going a little extra with her. This is of course Magic Kingdom, which comes with these beautiful leggings that go with this beautiful set from Zara. And then I have little high socks for all her outfits. I just need to bring them over here. But pretty much look how adorable that would be all together. And then I'm putting on these shoes again, and we're taking Crocs again for her because she just loves her Crocs. This is of course Animal Kingdom. She has flared leggings with them, a beautiful safari Mickey and Friends shirt with her mini sweatshirt for later on in the day. We're taking this beautiful little windbreaker. And then this is the shirt that she'll be wearing it with some other flared leggings. Oh, look at the gold detail on this. This is too cute. And these are just regular leggings with this beautiful mini shirt. And she's gonna be wearing this at night. I'm assuming this is probably going to be Hollywood Studios. Now, for Emma, I always have to be a little extra because you just never know. So I'm taking additional leggings that she might need. And I'm taking 2 tones because it depends on the shirt that she might be wearing. She might need different leggings. So I have to take extra leggings. And I'm also taking this beautiful Elsa shirt. Just in case, God forbid, she spills something, we haven't taken a picture, we have a backup. And then this is her super cute coming back outfit. It's Princess Tiana, and it's a long sleeve. And I can just put another little jacket on top. when she comes back in case she needs it. But yeah, this is Emma Luna. Okay, so for Emma Luna, I'm actually taking 5 pairs of PJs. Okay, so lastly, I'm gonna show you what my outfits look like for this trip for Disney World. I have 2 different options. I always get very cold too, but I love wearing my oversized shirts. I got this one for Animal Kingdom, which I love the material of this one. And I am going to be wearing it with these cargo pants right here that I got on Amazon. They fit amazing because they're like crunched in the back, and I have a big problem with pants not fitting me on my waist. So I'm definitely taking these with it. And I also have this little tank top that if it is too cold, I could just throw this on with the pants and it'll still look Animal Kingdom enough. And it's a very thin shirt, so it's not too heavy. But I do want to have an option for me in case out there I'm just like, yeah, I'm not feeling that too much oversized. I can wear that. And I recently got this at Disneyland. It's just like a teddy sweatshirt. I'm gonna be traveling with it and I'm gonna be wearing it out there as well. So this is another option that I have. Probably travel back with it. For Epcot, I have this sweatshirt that I got at H&M, and it's a winter sweatshirt. And what I love about it is that with Epcot, I had this whole vibe going with the kind of like a purple blue type color, which is what my oversized shirt is. Well, originally I was going to wear it with some skirts because I wanted to be super cute. But I ended up purchasing these leggings. They're flared leggings off Amazon, and I am not trying to be cold. So we're just gonna go with the flared legging look. And it goes really well with both. I also got these socks off Amazon. They have this super cute ruching up on top. The detail is super adorable and I like it. And then these are the ears that I'm wearing with my Epcot outfit. Magic Kingdom. This is another sweatshirt that I got at H&M, but it goes a lot with the pastel aesthetic of my vintage looking natural shirt that I got for Magic Kingdom. And I am just gonna wear that with some nice jeans. Pretty much that's it on this one. The cute part about this outfit is this brand new pair of ears that I got. Aren't these like so adorable? And I am gonna be pairing it with this Stony Clover bag. And finally, for my Hollywood Studios outfit, I was finally able to get my hands on these ears. They're so cute. I'm going with the oversized look again. This is my Hollywood Studios t-shirt. And I'm also going to be wearing this flared pants that I got at H&M. And lastly, this is the bag for Hollywood Studios. And let me show you this other bag. I might just wear this one for Animal Kingdom. I figured out what I'm gonna wear on the way there and on the way back. To recycle this top, which has like a bra included. I absolutely love this thing. I got it off Amazon. I was able to wear it with this outfit that I got from Alani, which I freaking love this sweatshirt. It's super comfortable, and what I like about it is that it gives me the versatility of not having to worry about if it's too hot, I take off the sweatshirt. If it's cold, I keep the sweatshirt on. And I love traveling comfy, so these are the sweatpants that go with it. So that is my coming back outfit, and I keep it DVC. And then on my way there, I'm just gonna again travel very comfy, which I'm gonna wear these pink sweatpants and sweatshirt, and that's pretty much it. That is what I'm packing for myself. But last time I packed some portable fans for the stroller. Of course, for my stroller, I have a stroller bag that actually comes with little wheelies now. So Fernando's usually the one that takes care of the stroller. And this time around, he doesn't have to carry it. He can just roll it up to the gate, and then they'll just pack it away in the bottom. We also tend to take a lot of power banks. We have like 2 of these. Besides our outfits, this is pretty much what we typically pack. This time around though, last time my son had a little bit of that friction between his legs while he was walking around so much. And they happened to get some blisters. So I am taking this with us to help prevent it or soothe it if it does happen. These are moleskin, I believe they call them. I got them off Amazon. We are taking ponchos. I am reusing the ones that I took last time. These are the ones I used last time. I'll link them for you below. We also did buy these inserts for the shoes for all of us actually, because we are taking a few different shoes, and these are well reviewed on Amazon. So I am taking some for us, some for the kids. I am taking also some laundry bags. I feel like it's just so useful to have them. This is the little case where I typically carry all my cords and my charging stuff, so we'll be packing all that away. That's pretty much all we're taking. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Really hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in Orlando. Bye.